Hi everyone, it's Helen here. Today I will make Bánh Phục Linh. It's a very special Vietnamese cookie that melts in your mouth. The good news is these cookies are gluten-free and dairy-free, so it's perfect for those of you who are in these diets. And the smells of pandan and the taste of coconuts really make it a perfect cookie for festive season. They are so simple to make and the making requires no oven. How cool is that? I can't wait to start. Let's begin.
Helen's recipes.
So first of all, in a small saucepan over medium heat, you combine the sugar and the coconut milk. Stir until the sugar is completely dissolved and then turn off the heat and let it cool completely. As we don't bake this cookie at all, we need to make sure that the flour is cooked in some way and is edible. In a large wok or a skillet, toast the flour and pieces of pandan leaves. Make sure to stir the flour constantly and keep the heat very low to avoid it from getting burnt until the leaves are completely dried and crispy. When you taste the flour and it melts in your mouth, it should be good. If you over toast the tapioca starch, the color of the starch will turn yellowish and you don't want that. Remove the dried leaf from the toasted tapioca flour. Let it go through a sieve to get rid of all the lumps. Let it cool completely. And now comes the fun part. Take out the mold, simply add some flour and shake gently to coat the inside with a thin layer of flour. This is to prevent sticking and it also makes it easier to unmold. You can divide the flour into batches and color each batch differently. For each batch, you will need 3 tablespoons of flour, that is about 8 grams, 1 tablespoon of coconut mixture. You can add a few drops of your favorite color to the coconut mixture and then mix well and then add gradually to the flour. Then mix up and rub with your hands until you get a smooth flour. The flour should be fine and moist. Another way to mix the flour is easier is using a fruit processor. So you add the flour and the coconut mixture just a little bit at a time and then blitz away. Avoid adding too much of the coconut milk to the flour at one time because it will make the flour clump and you don't want that. When the flour is smooth, powdery and moist, it's time to mold the cookies. You just pour the flour into the mold and use your thumb or finger to pack the flour down tight. Then flip the mold over and tap on the back or the sides of the mold to remove the cookies. You can continue with other colors that you like. And of course, instead of using industrial food color, you can also use homemade food color from natural ingredients like pandan for green or beets for red and other colors that you like. Look at them, they're so cute. This is, I think, purple color, but I put too little so the color doesn't come up so nice. When you eat this cookie, make sure that you don't put the whole piece in your mouth. Just enjoy a little bit at a time and enjoy that melting moment. It literally melts in your mouth with that touch of richness from the coconut milk. And it smells so good of the pandan leaf. So serve this to your loved one and friends during the festive seasons and make sure you serve a pot of mint tea at the side. I'm sure that your friends will come back for more. I hope you enjoyed today's recipes and please click like and subscribe to my channel for more amazing Asian desserts like this. Also follow me on Instagram and Facebook page for more updates of Vietnamese food every day. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.